Hello, my name is Madison, and today we'll explore how three eastern U.S. parks, Great Smoky Mountains, Congaree, and the New River Gorge, share one story. Each park reveals part of the Appalachian Mountains' evolution from billion-year-old bedrock to modern fossils. The Appalachian Mountains formed through three major mountain building events: the Tectonic, Acadian, and Alleghanian orogenies. According to Hatcher, these collisions between continents folded rock layers, creating one of the oldest mountain systems on Earth. The rocks we see in all three parks today are remnants of those events. The creation of this mountain range took millions of years to develop. Birth of the Appalachians. The Appalachians formed over hundreds of millions of years as continents collided. Hatcher states that these collisions folded, faulted, and metamorphosed ancient sea sediments into the mountain chain stretching from Alabama to Maine. The Smokies, New River Gorge, and Congaree all rest on this same mountain range, all part of the story of uplift, erosion, and time. Okay, first we have the Great Smoky Mountains. The Great Smoky Mountains expose ancient crystalline rocks, some over a billion years old. They rose again during the Alleghanian orogeny when Africa collided with North America. Over time, rain and rivers carved these peaks, creating the misty landscape of today. The rivers that carved the Appalachians are even more evident at New River Gorge. Despite its name, the New River is ancient, older than the mountains it flows through. As the Appalachians uplifted, the river cut downward, creating a gorge that reveals layers of marine and terrestrial sediments. The result is a deep time capsule showing how landscape evolves from water and wind. Water's power is demonstrated even more through the Congaree National Park, which was also created by the river's power. For Congaree. Far downstream, the sediments eroded from the Appalachians, which settled in the coastal plains of South Carolina. Over thousands of years, floods from the mountains built the Congaree floodplain, a collection of wetlands, oxbow lakes, and towering trees. It's one of the last untouched bottomland hardwood forests in North America. Preserving these ancient forests is even more important in our time of climate struggle. During the ice ages, glaciers never reached these parks, but cooler temperatures transformed vegetation and river systems. The Smokies served as a refuge for migrating species. Now, rising temperatures and rainfall are altering ecosystems once again, affecting tree growth, stream chemistry, and flood cycles. The people who were stewards of this land were able to see how things have changed and continue to advocate for more protection of these areas. Indigenous groups like the Cherokee, Shawnee, and Congaree tribes lived here long before the parks existed, managing forests and rivers sustainably. They did this, in the 1800s. European settlement brought extensive deforestation and mining. The National Park Service later protected these lands: Great Smoky Mountains in 1934, Congaree in 2003, and New River Gorge in 2020, preserving what remains of this ancient region. Time will tell how this land will change in the next 100 years. New River Gorge contains Carboniferous age rock layers that preserve fossils from ancient coal swamps, including Lepidodendron Segalia and seed ferns. Nearby formations also hold marine invertebrates such as brachiopods, which is pictured here, and criniids, offering a broader picture of the region's ancient ecosystems. Climate models forecast significant warming in the southeastern Appalachians by 2100. The Smokies may see higher rainfall and landslide risks, while Congaree faces more frequent floods. Yet, scientists also see opportunities. Restoring forest corridors, managing river erosion, and tracking biodiversity changes for adaptive conservation. For we must adapt to these changes so we can preserve this land for future generations. The Great Smoky Mountains, New River Gorge, and Congaree form one continuous story, the rise, erosion, and renewal of the Appalachian Mountains. These landscapes remind us that Earth's surface is always in motion, shaped by both natural forces and human hands. Their future depends on our ability to learn from the past. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the beautiful and mysterious parks within the Appalachian Mountains.